test will commence in 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1.
On the surface, statistics from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration study to monitor the safety of advanced driver assistance systems appear bad for Tesla. Its electric cars were involved in 70% of documented Level 2 technology collisions, 60% of which resulted in severe injuries, and over 85% of which were fatal. Do you believe Tesla is a safe vehicle to drive? Keep watching the video as we try to find out just that. Hey guys, welcome to another exciting video from our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk all about what led to NHTSA saying that Tesla crashes more than any other car, and try to find out if there is truth to it or not. But before we get into it, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us. The federal regulator's Standing General Order, which was issued in June of last year, required automakers to report the most serious crashes involving Level 2 ADAS, which require a human driver to remain fully focused on the task of driving. The data that were made public early on Wednesday were gathered under this order. The NHTSA also keeps records of collisions involving fully autonomous cars, none of which are presently accessible to the general public. Under SAE International created standards, there are 5 stages of automation. Level 2 refers to 2 autonomous capabilities that always include a human driver, such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping. Advanced driver aid systems, or Level 2, are becoming more prevalent in new cars. The fact that Tesla had 273 documented collisions, 3 major injuries, and 5 fatalities put it at the top of the ADAS ranking. With 90 collisions and 1 death, Honda came in far behind Tesla, with the majority of other manufacturers only recorded a few. Nissan said there were none. Does it imply that Tesla customers should swap in their Model 3 with Autopilot for a Nissan Leaf with ProPilot, the latter of which has its own Level 2 ADAS? The answer is trickier than you would expect. Given how the order is written, the technology Tesla has implemented, and the sheer volume of Tesla cars on the road, it's possible that the company's vehicles aren't nearly as unsafe as these statistics would indicate. To begin with, there are around 830,000 more Teslas equipped with ADAS than cars from other brands, while Nissan isn't far behind with 560,000. While Nissan's ProPilot and GM Super Cruise systems are restricted to highways, Tesla's Autopilot may be utilized on a variety of roadways. It is hard to assess the relative degrees of safety of different ADAS systems or to see how they would compare to accident rates when fully human control is maintained, without knowing the amount of kilometers traveled and where with each system in use. The order mandated that manufacturers report any events they were aware of. However, the majority of cars on the road lack remote telematic systems that relay vehicle data back to the manufacturer. Manufacturers of these vehicles relied on customer complaints, which made up the bulk of reports, law enforcement interactions, or media accounts, all of which may not have correctly stated whether their ADAS systems were in use. Tesla's cars, on the other hand, have cellular and Wi-Fi connections that immediately submit vehicle data when a collision happens. As a result, Tesla knows precisely which vehicles were using Autopilot when they crashed, as opposed to only 9 from Subaru, 4 from GM, 3 from Lucid, and 1 from Honda. Almost all of its accident reports were from such telematics. Finally, the order mandated that manufacturers submit information on accidents that they were aware of starting 10 days after the order was issued in June of last year. According to reports, it includes all 3 of Tesla's significant collisions, as well as 3 of the company's 5 fatal crashes that occurred prior to 2019. It is unknown why Tesla was not informed of the incidents until months or years afterwards. Only Honda recorded a few accidents that occurred before June 2021, apart from Tesla. While all of these factors seem to go in the same direction, a relative over-reporting of Tesla accidents data and a relative under-reporting of incidents involving other automakers, it is hard to calculate the effect of these factors solely based on NHTSA statistics. Due to driver inattention, all Level 2 systems may be more hazardous than just human drivers, or Tesla's Autopilot may actually be less reliable and riskier than competing ADAS technology in its current state of use. The NHTSA's independent, continuing, and newly expanded investigation of Autopilot, which would eventually result in a recall, will have to be the last word on Autopilot. In the meanwhile, owners of vehicles with Level 2 systems would do well to note the NHTSA's warning that no currently available motor vehicles on the market are capable of driving themselves. And with that, we have come to an end of our video. If you enjoyed this video, to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more such exciting content. See you in the next video.